Hello everybody, hope you are all well. My name is Judy Ssemugabi Bakyayita and we are back with our Luganda lesson. Today we are going to talk about emphatic consonants. Hello, amanyakangenze Judy Ssemugabi Bakyayita era nga tukomyewo n'olulimi lwaffe Oluganda. Today tugenda kwogera ku nnukuta ensirifu eziggumiza. Ennukuta ensirifu eziggumiza. So, emphatic means we are emphasizing that sound. We are emphasizing the sound. For example, if I use a single word, a single letter in a word, I'm not emphasizing it. But if the sound is flat, but if I'm using two, the same consonants together with each other, and I write two, that means I'm emphasizing that sound. Okay, let's start with amazi. 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 You see, the sound has to emphasize the last two. Amazi. Amazi is feces. Feces. But I can write the word, the same word but with single, say it, and say amazi. Amazi. This is emphatical. We are emphasizing it like amazi. Double Z. Here we have a single Z, which is amazi. Amazi, which is water. Another word is omubi. Omubi. You have two B's. Omubi. Omubi. Omubi means the thief. The thief. Omubi in Luganda, thief in English. So here we wrote 2B, which is we are emphasizing. But you can write the same word with single B, and we say omubi. 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 Omubi, thief. Omubi, an ugly person. An ugly person or a bad person. Omubi is an ugly person or a bad person. So we continue with some other examples. Another example is okuta. Okuta, double T. Okuta in English is to kill. To kill. Okuta. To kill, but you can also write Okuta. Okuta with single T. These are double T. Maybe I should write it in capital. Okuta. Okuta, single T. Okuta, double T. Okuta means to release. To release. This is to kill. This is to release. Another word is gula. Gu. Okay. Capital G. Gula. Gula means open. Gula, open. With single G we say gula. Gula. Gula is to buy. To buy. So another word is M-U-K-K-A. Muka. Muka. Muka is smoke in English. Smoke. Muka, smoke. But we can also write the same word with single K. Muka. Muka. That is wife of. Wife of. Muka Ssemugabi. Muka Ssemugabi. Wife of Ssemugabi. Wife of Ssemugabi. Muka Ssemugabi. Wife of Ssemugabi. Hopefully you understand. So when you use two identical consonants, that means you are emphasizing that word. If you use two identical consonants close to each other in a word, you are emphasizing the word. Muka. Muka, double K. With single K we say muka. 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 Muka, smoke. Muka, wife of. We saw gula. Gula. Gula, open. Gula, to buy. Thank you so much for listening. I'm so Judy Ssemugabi Bakyayita. Mwebale nnyo okuwuliriza. Nsigadde ndi Judy Ssemugabi Bakyayita. Akuume.